Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Ahya-Elhafiz bin Ahya-ELMUDDin. So today I'm going to share to you about how to check leaks in HVAC system in modern vehicle, and also how to determine where is the low pressure port and high pressure port in HVAC system in a vehicle. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you where is the high pressure port and where is the low pressure port for this HVAC system in this vehicle. So to differentiate between low pressure port and high pressure port, okay. First of all, the low pressure port. So this one is the low pressure port. The diameter of the pipe is thicker. The pipe is thicker than high pressure port. So this one is the high pressure port and this one is the low pressure port. So the main difference between these two is the pipe diameter. So the high pressure port pipes is thinner than the low pressure port pipes. So other than that, when the air conditioning system is running, the low pressure pipe is colder than the high pressure port pipes. So when the engine is running and the aircon compressor kicks, the low pressure pipes is cold. It's really cold. So that is one of the difference between low pressure and high pressure port. Thank you. Okay, hi, my name is Ahya-Elhafiz. So today I'm going to show you how to check leaks in HVAC system in a vehicle. So I'm going to use the soap method. I'm going to use soap and apply to the part that I want to check for leaks. Okay, so now I'm going to check at the condenser first. So you just have to apply the soap. Okay, and then the air conditioning is on. The aircon is on. So when I apply the soap, monitor where is the leak. So come here. So there's no leak on the condenser. If there's a leak, bubble will come up from the condenser. Okay. The next part, I want to inspect if there's a leak is at the pipe. So I'm going to apply the soap at all the pipes on this vehicle. So as you can see, there's no leak at the pipe. If there's a leak here on the pipe, so a bubble will come up. Okay. So check also, you have to check here. Okay. So as you can see, there's no leak on the pipe also. Okay, thank you. Other than that, we can also check at all the components in the HVAC system to check for leakage. And as you can see, there's no bubble coming out from the system. Means that the system is not leaking. So the HVAC system in this car is in a good condition. It's okay. Thank you.